It's time to bring it on. What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. Samsung is about to bring a much needed massive upgrade on the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup. We'll also be taking a look at the Galaxy Fold 3's under display camera status, a major Samsung phone that won't get announced at the Unpacked 2021 event. We'll talk about everything. Let's get right into it. So first up, a much needed feature upgrade is finally coming to Samsung flagship phones. If there is one thing that is not that ultra about Samsung's Ultra flagship, is definitely their charging speeds. The Galaxy S21 Ultra only sports up to 25 watt of fast charging, which is a lot lower compared to competition. Now Samsung is set to finally change that with the Galaxy S22 lineup by bringing 65 watt of fast charging speed. Just today, Samsung filed a brand new trademark certification for 65 watt fast charging for the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. 65 watt is definitely a massive jump compared to Samsung's previous charging standard. Now for those who are concerned about the battery health because of the fast charging speed, Samsung actually allows you to turn off the fast charging speeds if you don't need it. In this way, it's a win-win for both situations. Also in the news, we have the latest camera details for the whole Galaxy S22 lineup. This info is coming via Tron. He has a very decent track record and he's very confident about the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus camera specs. 50 megapixel main camera plus 12 megapixel zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. I'm very curious about this new 50 megapixel sensor. It's probably not going to be ISOCELL GN1 or GN2. So I'm excited to see what this is. Now as for the S22 Ultra, he's not fully sure about the camera specs. But one thing that he's certain about is that Samsung won't be using a 200 megapixel sensor on the S22 Ultra. It's going to be an improved 108 megapixel sensor, possibly combined with a continuous zoom setup, sensor shift stabilization, and for the first time, Samsung is collaborating with an actual camera brand, Olympus, for their S22 Ultra camera. So it can actually bring pretty good things to the table. Also in the news, Unpacked 2021 is happening on August 11th, and we all thought that Samsung will be announcing its Galaxy S21 FE at that same event, but turns out Galaxy S21 FE announcement is delayed, which means it's not gonna get announced at that Unpacked foldable event. According to Let's Go Digital, they've seen the official document from Samsung stating that S21 FE is not on the menu for the Unpacked 2021 event. Now Galaxy S21 FE will still come out this year. It's not cancelled or anything. My guess is that we're probably going to see this device in late September. Now as we know, for the first time in history, Samsung is bringing under panel camera with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and a lot of people are concerned about the quality of the selfies that we're gonna get, including myself, and now we have more details on that subject. According to Ice Universe, Samsung will be using AI and software processing to manage that loss of quality when taking selfies from that under panel camera. He says that under display camera wise, the quality will be among the best, but obviously it's not going to be perfect like the traditional selfie camera. Now because Galaxy Z Fold 3 has another selfie camera on the outer screen and you can use the back camera for selfies, Samsung can take this risk. But obviously they can't do the same thing with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so for that the under display camera has to be a lot better, or else Samsung will just stick to the traditional punch hole selfie camera. So there we go, that's all the latest news. Finally, a massive boost in fast charging speeds plus big camera gains incoming, particularly for the base S22 and the S22 Plus model. The affordable ones are about to get really good. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.